Okay, here we are with lateral area. Lateral area is everything except the what? The base. So that means you're finding the area of what? 5 triangles at this part. What if it is a square-based pyramid? 4 triangles. An octagonal-based pyramid, 8 triangles, right? Now, what is the area of a triangle?
Half of base times height.
Area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base times the height, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Don't we know the base of one of these triangles? What's the base of one of the triangles?
10.
10. Don't we already know the height of the triangle?
Yeah.
How much is the height?
13.
13. So watch this. Somebody generate this cool formula that will always give you the lateral area. How do you find the area of one of these triangles?
All right.
1/2 base times height. What's the base always? 10. In this particular instance, it's 10. But isn't it a leg? Right? And then multiply by the what?
Height.
The height, which in this case is the slant height. And isn't it always going to be the slant height? Okay. So for a pentagon, I'm going to write down this very specific, and then we're going to generate our own formula. So you're going to do 1/2 of what? You did the 1/2 of the leg times the slant height. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and then you're going to have to ultimately multiply by what? 5. Yes or no?
Or whatever.
Right. Okay, so watch this. You're going to have to do 1/2 of 10 times 13 plus 1/2 of 10 times 13, right? Yes, no? And then blah, 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 blah. Because you would have to do that 5 times or just multiply it by 5, right? So why don't you do this? The lateral area is simply the perimeter of the base. Capital P means perimeter. Perimeter of the base times slant height, cursive L. Slant height is the cursive L. I abbreviated it with an S a while ago. I shouldn't have. Slant height is a cursive L. And then divide by 2. Where the heck did that formula come from? Well, how many times would you wind up doing this area formula for the triangles?
5 times.
5 times. And that's going to be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, right? So isn't that basically you're just doing the perimeter? I don't think you're getting it. Is that right? You're not getting it? Okay. You're going to do 10 times 13 divided by 2, right? 1/2 base times height. 1/2. So 10 times 13 divided by 2, right? So you're going to have a whole bunch of 10 times 13 divided by 2. 10 times 13 divided by 2. 10 times 13. Well, what's the common thing? A whole bunch of 10s, right?
Yeah.
So what's the perimeter? So you just do the perimeter of the base times the slant height divided by 2. And then you've done it 5 times already. The perimeter factors in that 5.
I thought you were talking about the perimeter of the triangle.
No, perimeter of the base. Capital P means the perimeter of the base.
Third lunch, time for third lunch.
Perimeter of the
Third
base
lunch,
times
third
L.
lunch.
What does L mean? Slant height divided by 2. That's your lateral area. Did that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. This capital P stands for what? Perimeter of the base. So all you have to do is take the perimeter of the base, multiply by the slant height, divide by 2, and poof, now you got lateral area. That work?